Hello friends, in this video we will see how to make our Excel sheet to monitor our all the documents that we need to complete in the time manner, or we need to complete in the before this date to renew it, or we need to send a reminder to any document. Like here I have an annual report. The deadline of this report is 30th December 2024. So we have given a formula in the reminder note that if we have less than 30 days, that is going to give the urgent. This one is giving. If we have less than 60 days, it will give an action. If we have more than 90 days, then it will give still have time. So like that. So if you see here, this is 25 is going to expire. So this one I have still time. This one is overdue. Should renewed on January 22. So it's 290 days overdue, and you can give the remark accordingly. I have given a reference here. So if I will add this date 100 days. This one all is going to be overdue. Let's see how we can make this Excel sheet. We will make new Excel sheet. Now we will make one more sheet and rename it support and main sheet. Now here it's equal to if this one minus, here we will give the today date, then press F4. So here the cell is going to fix, then less than 0, then it will come overdue in the double quote, overdue, then again comma, copy this one, if, paste it. If is less than 30, then it will be urgent, then comma, then again paste it, then again if, paste it, then less than 60, action, comma, if, paste it, less than 90, reminder, comma, then still have time, in double quote, still have time, close the bracket, then close the bracket, and close the bracket, enter. Now you can drag it. Here we have to give the is equal to today and close the bracket, enter. Now it will take from there. If it's overdue, then how many days? We will give the formula here is equal to if this one is minus this F4 greater than or equal to 0, then comma, then we will give nothing, else this minus this, and close the bracket, enter. Let's give this one because we forget here, press F4 to lock the cell and then enter. Now drag it. Okay, now you can give the remark here, select it, then click home, format as a table, then select any table. Okay. Now we need to give the color, like here, if it is still at the time, then green and reminder. So let's do that one, how we can do it. For that, just copy these words first, as we are going to give the formula whatever the value is available. So I'm just making copy one by one, copy and copy. Now select it, click here, the first cell, then take Control Shift and down key, go to home, click conditional formatting, click new rule, format cell that contain, click specific text, window V, press window V. Now select your word. I will select this overdue. For the overdue, which color I want to give, I will give this red color, and okay. So overdue is okay, then same, Control Shift down key, conditional formatting, new rule, format only cell that contain specific text. Now this time I will give the next urgent, then format, I will give this color for urgent, or you can give this color. Okay. Now again same, control shift down key, new rule, specific text, control V, action, I'll give this one. Okay, now again control shift down key, reminder, this color. Okay, conditional formatting, new rule, format cell that contain specific text, and still have time, and select the green one. Okay, now here also we will give this, if it's overdue, then it should highlight this one. Select from here, control shift down key, new rule, then format only cell that contain, no blank, format, then this one. Okay, and okay. Now if you will change, if you will make a plus, like the date you are going to be forward, plus 200, see everything is came to overdue, and it's showing the date that overdue, how many days is overdue. That's only for this video. If you like this video, please subscribe. See you in the next video.